Hello, today I'll be walking you through on how to access the Prairie North Enterprise Search and some tips on how to use it. First, we're going to start on the Prairie North MARS homepage. From here, we're going to move our mouse over top of Resource Center down to Policies and Procedures. From here, we can see the Enterprise Search link, as well the training video, the work standard on how to access Enterprise Search, and the work standard on how to use it. Occupational health and safety policies and procedures currently are only found on MARS and cannot be found or searched in Enterprise Search. You can click on the link here to open them. From here, we are going to click on Enterprise Search to open the search page. Now we are on the main page for Enterprise Search. In the text boxes, we're going to want to type what you're looking for. For this example, I'm going to search for policies and procedures on security by typing in security and then hitting enter. This is going to open up what is known as the results page. Let's take a moment and have a look around at some of the features. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we'll see that about 51 documents were returned with either security in the title or in the body of the document. Each page will show 10 results per page. To move on to the next 10, we click the arrow to move to the next page. And if we want to go back, we scroll back down to the bottom of the page and click the arrow to go back. We can narrow down our search by using the modified date to find the more recent documents by clicking the box, holding down the mouse, moving it inward to find newer ones. And if we want to expand it back out, once again we click on the box, hold down, and move it out. You will notice that all policies have a number that go with them. Policies do not have anything in brackets. The letters that are in brackets are P for a procedure, F for a form, A for an appendix, or S for a sample. We can also take our mouse, move over top of any one of the documents that are shown, which will bring up what is known as the preview window. To move around inside the preview window, we move our mouse inside of it, go to the top. By using the plus sign, we can zoom in on it or zoom out. If we actually click on one of the documents, it's going to open up. You'll notice in here on the left hand side the results for security on where it was found inside the document. We can click on any one of these, which will take us directly to the section where it found security. I'm just going to click the back button to go back to the results page. Now we are back to our results page. We are going to take a look at a couple other functions and tips to help you with your search. As I previously mentioned, policies all have a number associated with them. If we search for something and it only shows the results as a procedure, we can enter in the policy number into the search text box to find the policy and any other associated documents. So we'll just back up our previous search, enter in the policy number, and hit enter. As you can see, this minimizes our results. As well, if we're looking for multiple words, we can do this by putting an or in between. For this example, I'm going to type in improve, put a space with a capital or and another space, and type in patient. The results are going to show any documents with either improve or patient anywhere found in the body or title of the document, as well put together. We can narrow this down further by putting these inside of quotes. So we'll back it up, we'll put a quote, type in improve, space, patient, and another quote, and hit enter. What this is going to do is only bring up the documents that have improve and patient next to one another. This will narrow it down once again further. When it comes to searching, spelling is crucial. If we happen to not know what we're looking for, we can only enter in a couple words and with a star. This will find more documents with those words in it. For this example, I'm going to use VEN. So I'll back it up, type in VEN. As you can see, as the system learns, it'll start to actually give you words to search. If I wanted vendor, I could click on it and it'll search vendor for us. But that's not what I want. So I'll put a star at the end and hit enter. As you can see, the results now have significantly more words with VEN in the beginning or somewhere found inside of a word. What happens if I misspell a word? The system will actually give you suggestions. So I'll back it up and I'm going to just spell prairie. Obviously that is incorrect. As you can see here, it is giving me a suggestion as did I mean to spell prairie as prairie. So I click on that and it will update our search to find prairie. It may offer other suggestions if we're looking for something else, but we might have entered the wrong word. So here I'm going to look up security and texting. So I'll back it up, enter in security, space. Now I enter in texting. But what happens if I actually did want testing? As you can see here, it is now giving me a suggestion for testing. So I can click on a suggestion, which will once again open up my new search. Hope this video has helped you guide you through using the PNRHA Enterprise Search.